Hello children, in today's class we will do word problems based on money. First question is Madhubala purchased vegetables worth rupees 168.75, cosmetics worth rupees 204.40 and groceries worth rupees 763.15. How much money did she spend in all? So money spent on vegetables, cosmetics and groceries are given to us. We have to find out total money spent. So money spent on vegetables is equals to rupees 168.75. Money spent on cosmetics is equals to rupees 204.40. Money spent on groceries is equals to rupees 763.15. We have to find out total money spent. This will be equals to rupees 168.75 plus rupees 204.40 plus rupees 763.15. When we add all these three amounts, we will get a sum of rupees 1136.30. So total money spent is equals to rupees 1136.30. Next question is Lily went to the market with rupees 500. So Lily was having 500 rupees. She purchased a drawing board worth rupees 84.95, a book worth rupees 126.60, an exercise book worth rupees 29.85, some sketch pens worth rupees 46.35. How much money was left with her? So it is given in the question that amount Lily having was rupees 500. From this 500 rupees she purchased a drawing board, a book, an exercise book and some sketch pens. Cost of all these items are given to us. So firstly we have to find out the total cost of all the items, that is total money she spent. After that, to find out money left with her, we subtract that total money spent from 500. So money Lily had is equals to rupees 500. Money spent on purchasing a drawing board is equals to rupees 84.95. A book is equals to rupees 126.60. An exercise book is equals to rupees 29.85. Sketch pens equals to rupees 46.35. So we have to find out the total money spent by adding all these costs. So total money spent is equals to the sum of all the cost, which will be equals to rupees 287.75. So out of 500 rupees, she purchased all the items, a drawing board, book, exercise book and sketch pen worth rupees 287.75. Now we have to find out money left with her. So it will be equals to rupees 500 minus 287.75, which will be equals to rupees 212.25. Next question is Gopal received rupees 979.65 from his mother and rupees 2548.50 from his father. He spent rupees 2787.65 by purchasing a tape recorder. How much money would be left? So firstly in this question we have to find out total money he had by adding these two amounts, which he received from his mother and his father. So money received from his mother is equals to rupees 979.65. Money received from his father is equals to rupees 2548.50. Total money he had is equals to the sum of these two amounts, which is equals to rupees 3528.15. Now he spent money on purchasing a tape recorder. which is equals to rupees 2787.65. So he was having rupees 3528.15, out of which he spent rupees 2787.65. We have to find out money left. So money left with him will be equals to rupees 3528.15 minus rupees 2787.65. On subtracting, we will get rupees 740.50. So money left with him is equals to rupees 740.50. Next question is, the cost of a pair of shoes is rupees 500.05. This is the cost of one pair of shoes. We have to find out cost of 8 such pairs. So if cost of one pair is given to us, for finding cost of 8 pairs, we will multiply the given amount by 8. So cost of one pair of shoes is equals to rupees 500.05. Therefore, cost of 8 pairs of shoes will be equals to rupees 500.05 into 8. Product of these two numbers is equals to rupees 4000.40. So cost of 8 pairs of shoes is equals to rupees 4000.40. Next question is, if one bag and one lunchbox cost rupees 239.75 and rupees 225.08 respectively, find the cost of such 14 bags and 18 lunch boxes. In this question, cost of one bag is rupees 239.75 and cost of one lunch box is equals to rupees 225.08. We have to find out cost of 14 bags and 18 lunch boxes. So firstly, we will find cost of 14 bags by multiplying cost of one bag by 14 and cost of 18 lunch boxes by multiplying cost of one lunch box by 18. Then we have to find out the total cost of them. So cost of one bag is equals to rupees 239.75. Therefore, cost of 14 bags will be equals to rupees 239.75 into 14. On multiplying these two numbers, product will be rupees 3356.50. Cost of one lunch box is rupees 225.08. So cost of 18 lunch boxes will be equals to rupees 225.08 multiplied by 18. Their product is rupees 4051.44. Now we have cost of 14 bags and cost of 18 lunch boxes. To find out total cost, we will add both these costs. So total cost of 14 bags and 18 lunch boxes is equals to rupees 3356.50 plus 4051.44. So the sum is rupees 7407.94.